So today we are looking at a listing on eBay. This seller does have a Caroline for $1,000 new in package. See right there, motorized Caroline. I don't know why the seller is asking this really high price for this model. But anyways, I think he knows that there are some people that might be pay a high price. But anyways, good luck to that buyer if he wants to buy it. It's $1,000. So remember, you gotta pay I think shipping. Let me see how much shipping is. Actually, I think it's free shipping. But anyways, $1,000. So on top of that, add the taxes. I think it's where is this located? This one is located in Colorado. I don't know, probably taxes are 13%, so the buyers need to pay $130 extra dollars for that. But I think it's insane. Wow, $1,000 for. I wouldn't pay. Definitely I wouldn't, because I'm not a collector. I'm a reseller. But anyways, good luck to that person who wants to buy a brand new in a package Caroline, overpriced Caroline. I think $200 might be a good price, but $1,000, that's insane. Anyways, let me know in the comments section. Okay guys, that's all for today. Bye.